We are supposed to find the unknown a and b given the expressions. Let's take a closer look. We have 219 plus b39 is equal to 8a8, and we're supposed to find a and b, the unknowns. So this is an addition operation, so we shall perform the operation from the right column to the left column as accordingly. On the extreme right, we have 9 plus 9, which is equal to 18. So we add 8 at the answer space and carry forward 1 to the neighbor. Next, we move on to the next column. We have 1 plus 1 plus 3 this time, which give us a at the answer space. So 1 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 5. So a is equal to 5. So we add that in. And we move on to the next. We have 2 plus b is equal to 8. And to get rid of 2 on the left side of the equations, we do this. We take 2 minus 2 plus b is equal to 8 minus 2. We add in the minus 2 on both sides. And 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, so we can cancel it. So on the left side, we are left with b, and on the right side, we have 8 minus 2. And we know that 8 minus 2 on the right side gives us 6. So b is equal to 6. So the final answer to the unknowns of a and b is such that a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 6. Thank you for using playmaths.com.